In this video, I want to show you the best dirt bike boots I've ever had. What's up, Rad family? I'm Dakota Freeman, and welcome to the Rad Adventure Dude channel. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, make sure you hit that and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future dirt bike riding tips. The reason I want to tell you all about the best dirt bike boots I've ever had is because it's going to be so important to stay safe on your dirt bike that you ride with the proper dirt bike riding boot. The best dirt bike riding boot that I've ever found is an Alpinestars Tech 7. I am so happy with all of the Alpinestars that I've ever worn in my life, and I don't really see myself changing anytime soon. So let me tell you about the Tech 7 and how it can benefit your riding. So you always want to make sure when you're riding a dirt bike that you're riding with a good, tall motocross boot. I really like to suggest for every rider to have a 4-buckle dirt bike boot. The reason you want 4 buckles on your dirt bike boot, because as we put wear and tear on this dirt bike boot, odds are that one of these buckles are going to break over time. They can be replaced, but having 4 buckles on your boot makes sure that even if a buckle breaks, your foot's still securely fastened in your boot. So make sure whenever you're buying dirt bike boots that you get a tall dirt bike boot with 4 buckles on it. The new generation of buckles have also gotten much easier to fasten whenever you're getting ready to go ride. The old buckles, I literally have had to use a rock or a wrench to beat them into place, and now they are simply so much easier to be able to unlatch, take apart, and be able to put right back together and relatch it down. That's what makes this boot so convenient and easy to wear every time we go riding. Also, how lightweight this boot is really plays into why I love the Alpinestars Tech 7. This boot is super light and it keeps us very protected when we're riding. This new boot also has a very good system right here at the ankle that provides good articulation out of our boots whenever we're wearing them. Being able to bend our ankle in this boot while it's still strong enough to keep us protected is going to be huge to our dirt bike riding. If it's so clunky that we can't bend our ankles, then we're probably not going to be able to use our dirt bike boots to actually be able to use the shifter properly and be able to access our rear brake. So this is another reason that plays into why I really like the Alpinestars Tech 7 so much. The Tech 7 that I had before this boot, I literally had for about 8 years. That boot had been through everything with me. I had worn it so much that the plastic on the side of the boot had ended up cracking, breaking, but the boot still really held up great and kept me safe when I was riding. However, once I upgraded to this new dirt bike boot, I truly realized how much this boot helped my riding. So make sure whenever you're getting into riding dirt bikes, buy a proper dirt bike boot that's really going to protect you. Buy a lightweight boot that you're going to be able to wear all day long without it just wearing you out. You're really going to be in this boot a lot, so make sure that when you're buying a boot that it's the correct size and that it really fits you properly. Rad family, I'm so excited about you getting into dirt bike riding and wanting to wear the right protective gear and getting the right dirt bike boots. If this video showed you some good tips on why to buy the Alpinestars Tech 7, make sure you like this video and drop some comments down below and ask me any other questions that you have. If you're looking for more dirt bike riding tips, I'm always here, and I've made a full dirt bike riding course over on my website. It'll walk you through being a complete beginner and take you to an advanced rider mastering the tracks and trails. Plus, I have a free dirt biking guide that I give away on my website, so make sure you go check that out as well. All you have to do is subscribe to the website, and I'll send it right to you. Make sure you click the subscribe button that's right here and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future dirt bike riding tips. After that, you can watch my next video right here. Stay rad, and I'll see you over there.